Hello everyone and welcome to today's design vlog. So today I was thinking making like something more simple. I don't want to be like put on the spot too much today. I had quite a bit of a long day, but I still want to do this. So I just was thinking like making like a typography poster, like fully typography, maybe using some 3D tools there to make it like pop up a little bit more, and just like keep it simple and sweet and short for you, so I don't take half an hour of your life today again. So let's go. I'm gonna use this word, I just have it here on my notes, axiom. It's a really nice word, really like it. Have like some nice letters on it. So I'm gonna change this, I'm gonna use the Pangram font, Pangram black, and then I'm gonna make it all capitals, all caps, like this. And nice. So then I'm gonna just create outline. So I'm gonna use a technique, actually I made a tutorial before, which is like I'm gonna make these letters in 3D and then I'm gonna pile them to each other. It's a very simple technique, but I always like the visual it creates, so I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna keep it simple, you know, do something nice and simple. Sometimes it's good. I think I've been probably pushing myself a little bit too much sometimes on these posters, and sometimes I should have like one that's just chill and like nice to do. Not like, oh my god, what are we gonna do now? So I'm gonna go to effects, 3D materials, 3D classic. I'm gonna apply extrude and bevel. Then I'm just going to change the perspective, something like this. Yeah, somewhere around here. So I still want to see the letters, like there is a gap there. I don't want to put it on one perspective that's really impossible to look at. Then I'm gonna apply the same effect with the same perspective to all the letters. Perfect. Now I'm gonna select all of them and expand appearance. Then I'm gonna press T for the outlining of the letters, and I'm going to pile them up. Axiom. Just trying to make a nice composition with it. Scale it up, maybe. Yeah. And I'm gonna scale it up all together so that sizes are the same. And I'm gonna just try to make a nice composition without losing too much of the definition of the letter, because I need to be able to see this is a X. So now, and then that needs to be a Y. Like a I, not a Y, sorry. And then it's a M. Is it possible to understand this is a I? Maybe something like this will do it. Axiom. Yeah. Then actually I just want to change the strokes to be white, because I wanted to do this a black and white poster today, and maybe the fill will be black. Something like this, yeah. And then, or maybe should I actually keep it as it is? Let's just have a look. I want to make the background black, so I'm just gonna make a background first, and then I'm going to do it black or dark gray. I think this is a dark gray, which is okay. Just gonna send it to back, and then gonna make the same color but add a stroke of white. Yes, this is what I was looking for today. Something nice, beautiful and simple. Maybe I will just go here, try to align this a little bit more, try to make sense of these lines so they actually match. The stroke is actually going to lock this background layer. I'm going to change the stroke to be a round cap and a round corner. I just try to match here. Perfect. Oh, imagine if I actually could match this one as well there. It would be really nice. Yeah. Perfect. I'm going to just increase the stroke a little bit, maybe 2, so I can actually see it. And then the Y, maybe I will change it here. Try to match it there. Maybe something here. Oh, this is why I couldn't read it, because it's really hard to understand with the O there. Maybe, yes, I think I need the top bit of the Y. But if I leave like a left corner there, I think it'll be alright. Just trying to match one of these lines though. Maybe this one. And then do the same thing for the letter M. Try to find an edge to match it. And yeah, this is... What if actually we could actually connect these two bits together and make one shape? No, I think I'm probably pushing this. Let's just leave it like this. Axiom, and be sure we can actually read this as an O. Well, I think this was somewhere like this. Yeah, we can read this as an O. Cool. I think I'm really happy with this actually. Maybe I will just scale it down. Should I make another copy? Because normally I like to make some repetitions when I feel my design is a little bit too simple. I just repeat the same elements again and hope for the best. And I just do this. Yeah, it's pretty much it actually. Maybe I could just do... Oh, how much time do I have? Oh, it's just been 8 minutes. It's alright. Maybe I could just, you know, just add a gradient. It's like, because, well, gradients, it's like diamonds, they are forever. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna be like this. Just trying to see if a gradient will give it a little bit of pizzazz. Whatever that word means. Like, yeah, I think it will. I think we need a gradient. Sorry guys and girls and everyone. Just make sure. I wanted to keep it simple. I tried, you saw that. You saw I wanted to keep it simple, but I love doing this. And when you like just having so much fun doing it, you're like, you know what, just go and do this and that, and you end up making it more complex and taking more time. But as long as you're having fun, though, I'm having fun. Just gonna make this one here and here, and oh, actually this is episode number 10, I think. Yeah, I think I lost count already. I think this is episode number 10, so congratulations to me. I made 10 already. And you know, I always tend to make these deadlines for myself, like, and like really hard things to do, and almost like setting me up myself for failure, and then I fail, and then I feel really frustrated, and then I can't deal with it, and then I stop doing it. So I was a little bit worried when I set up myself to do this every day, but I think it's, I don't know, it's the only way to get good at something, because we're gonna suck for a long time at whatever we do, and the only way to get better is by doing it more and more and more until we stop sucking. And like, I just wanted to speed up the process, you know, like, I know I'm gonna suck for a while, so I don't want to suck for years, so maybe I will do years of work in a few months. Yeah. Just, I don't know, not being depressing, sorry, I know probably I always complaining in these videos. I just want to keep it, sharing my feelings with you. That's it. I feel like we're almost friends now, because, you know, we're here every day. I'm here every day. I don't know if this is the first time you're watching my videos. If it is my first time you're watching one video of mine, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And check the other videos. I normally just say this in another video, but, you know, just checking. Maybe I could even change the color of this stroke to something more glowish. Nah. Nah. Not feeling it. Maybe, like, imagine if we actually didn't add any stroke. We could be able to read this. Maybe if we had more gradients happening. Oh no, are we testing that? I think we are testing the gradient situation again. Oh no, should we? I'm worried now. Should I just apply gradient to everything? No. No, this is an easy way to test it, is just apply to everything and go. No, it's too confusing. Let's just leave the stroke. Maybe not make a neon glow stroke though, but like, I just need to test it. Sometimes I just need to experiment with the strokes a little bit. Maybe even like, I don't need the gradients, or do I? No, I'm confused a little bit. Maybe I will leave it. Kind of like just the strokes though. Maybe just white strokes looks better. Yeah. And then maybe if you actually have space, let's just duplicate this, make it even more complex. System, it's just typography anyway, so axiom, just duplicate it, make it look nice, make repeating stuff together, make it look very complex when it actually took like 10 minutes to do it. 10 minutes, 12 minutes. So just because I'm feeling, I'm gonna add a little bit more details here, just a few spheres, just for the sake of elements here, and make this poster even more complex and more attractive to my audience. I'm sorry. I need to start doing this in the morning because I always do this in the afternoon and I'm like probably a little bit tired and probably a little bit grumpy after dealing with clients and meetings and life in general. So yeah, but I do appreciate you being here, and I hope you're enjoying this series. Please let me know in the comments. Are you enjoying this vlog series? I do enjoy doing it because they are more free and less stressful than making a tutorial. Not that making a tutorial is stressful, it's just like it's less work than making a tutorial for sure. I do miss making tutorials. I probably will do them, but the time that takes me to make a tutorial, and it's a little bit longer than making these vlogs, because these vlogs are very natural. I'm just doing this with you, we're just chatting, you're just listening to me, and you know, and it's almost Christmas, so you know, we are here having fun, just adding, like, maybe I was just gonna add a little bit of color in these spheres. I was feeling this black and white situation was good for the start, but now I have so many elements, I definitely need to add a little bit of color. Maybe like Christmassy color set or something like that. Nice. Something like this. Maybe these spheres need a little bit more things happening to them. Or maybe not. Let's just push this one in the front. Yeah, just gonna make a little bit of like those sparkling glows. I can't forget the name. Let's go to effects, distort and transform, and do like pucker and bloat. -100, I like it really sharp. Change the stroke to white. Yes. I'm just gonna make it somewhere where I can see them really nicely. Something like here. Like here, maybe a big one as well, just for scale purpose. It's a little bit complex, but I kind of like it. What if I change actually the background color to something? You know, we experiment with colors, so let's just see. Nah, let's just leave it as dark as it was. Cool. About these spheres, am I feeling these spheres, or are actually they are a bit too big? Or maybe they actually just need to be black and white, maybe. Just to match the color set. I think probably I pushed it. It needs to be monochromatic. It does need to be monochromatic. I'm so sorry if you really liked those colors before. This needs to be a monochromatic poster. This is how I'm feeling. This is how it's speaking to me. And just do this there. Yeah. Something like this. Yeah, I'm actually really happy with it. Should I do something else? Maybe add a grid behind it. Let's just see how much of a grid you needed behind it. Nah. Nah. We don't need a grid behind it. Let's just make a solid. I want to experiment something really quick. I wanted to make this under 20 minutes though. Let's just make this and then apply like a gradient, like a freeform gradient, which is freeform the name of this gradient. Yeah, it is freeform. Let's just change the colors and then make this purple, not purple, that color, reddish, and pinky, yellowish. Yeah, something like this. And then I just want to experiment with the blending modes. Not screen will. Yeah, nah, it doesn't do it for me. But it's nice to experiment sometimes. So it's just like, let's see what this does. Like if I do that, multiply. I'm just feeling very monochromatic, and I always like to use lots of colors in my designs. That's why I was like a little bit testing it a little bit. Maybe if I make this 10%, I don't know. It does give a little bit of like a slightly color here, which is probably cool. I'm gonna just make another solid, and then I'm going to make it a noise layer here. Make it black. 1700. Oops. 2400. Just go and line this. And effects. Where is it? Texture. I do this almost every day, and I never know where it is. It's just insane. 25 screen at 25. 25. Yeah. Maybe 25 is too much. Maybe actually I'm gonna remove that gradient layer. Just leave the screen here. Maybe I will leave this at 10. And yeah. Sorry, my water app, drinking water app thing, it's just messaging me to drink more water. Yeah, I think this is, I'm just gonna write axiom because I'm feeling like it's not very readable at the moment. I just want people to know what I meant when I was designing this. Axiom. Maybe here in the bottom. It's a really nice word. Axiom, just gonna line it. And then make it another one on the top. Yeah, just to give you a little bit more context. And then people are like, oh, I can find it, axiom there, yes, that's it. Got it. Well, this is it. I will leave you now today. I want to make this a short one, 19 minutes, under 20, making progress. So I hope you enjoyed this poster today. Please, if you do the exercise, let me know on the comments and let me know on Instagram, as some of you do already. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this design vlog. Now I'm gonna make dinner and I'm going to watch something on Netflix. So yeah, let me know also which shows are you watching, if there is any show I should check it out. And don't forget to like this video. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please be sure to subscribe. I really appreciate that. And don't forget to share it. What's the next thing I want to say? And also to check the other videos, of course. Yeah, thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate it. I see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.